Do you know there are three sounds of letter Y? First, listen for the consonant sound of Y and U. Yes. Yo-yo. Yogurt. Did you hear the sound of Y? It's Y. Y. Number 2 is listen for the long I sound of Y, like cry, my, try, buy. Did you hear the sound of Y? It's long I. It's I. Number 3, listen for the long E sound of Y, like jelly, diary, candy, berry. Did you hear the sound of Y? It's long E. E. Let's recap. The three sounds of Y are consonant sound Y, long I sound, and long E sound. Consonant sound Y, yard, yen, yolk, yelp, yeast. Long I sound, July, my, cry, buy, try. Long E sound, diary, merry, belly, rainy, party. So these are the three sounds of Y.
You're doing good.